This is a wiring diagram of a lighting circuit containing two two-way switches. Just ignore the wiring colours for now, I'll explain them at the end. So we've got a supply here as junction box, switch 1, switch 2, and there's light fitting. As neutral, it's taken up, it's terminated in the junction box here and then taken straight onto the light fitting. That doesn't need switching. The live wire is taken up to the junction box, it's terminated here and taken down to the first switch. That's terminated in the common terminal. L1, L2 terminal on the first switch. We've got two wires coming down here, which are terminated in the junction box and also taken down to the second switch, L1 and L2. These two wires are joining the switches. They're known as your strapper wires. And then on the common terminal on the second switch is your switch wire, which goes up, it's terminated in the JB and taken on to the light. Is this light on at the minute in the diagram? Let's have a look. As live comes up, down to the switch, through a closed contact, up the blue, down to the second switch, and it's terminated here. And it's an open contact now. So it's not coming across to the red wire up to the light, so the light is off. If we close this switch into the closed position, or this switch, either or, it'll bring the light on. So this is your earth wire. You need to bring your earth wire to the junction box. It's terminated here, terminated the light fitting, then drop down to both switches and it's terminated on the back box. And if you're using metal switches, you need to terminate from the back box with an earth to your metal switch. So here they've used, this is a 3-core that they've dropped down here, and another 3-core that they've dropped down here. And this is a twin and earth that they've used from the supply, and a twin and earth which they've taken from the junction box onto the light fitting. 1.5mm is fine for this lighting circuit. So that's the circuit and that is how it works. For the colours, these are the old colours. You've got red and black on your twin and earth, and on your 3-core and earth you've got red, blue and yellow. You may be using the new colours, which would be brown and blue. So that'd be brown, that'd be blue. And then you'd have brown, grey and black on your 3-core. So just bear this in mind. If you're adding to an existing old circuit, just understand the different colours. At the end of the video now, I'm going to leave a diagram, sorry, not a diagram, a picture of the old and the new wiring colours for this specific circuit. So if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll answer them, and thank you for watching.